Hey, welcome back to Big Dave's Fat Ass Food Reviews.
What's up, guys? My sister got me this mini gummy taco, and it's from Raindrops. Mini gummy taco soft gummy mix. Let's give this a try. I thought I had it open, but there's even more plastic. How do you like that? Shit. Shit. Okay. I'm gonna lay that down there. There we go.
Big.
I wasn't trying to sound like Joey's World Tour, guys. Actually, there was a South Park episode. Kyle's cousin Kyle, you remember that?
Where the hell I put my stupid glasses?
So this is a review for my sister, and hell yeah, edible paper. I haven't had edible paper since the 90s. Yes! Oh, never mind. Alright. What kinds of goodies here? Try the stringy stuff here for a stringy gummy. That's a really good flavor. I thought it'd be like strawberry lemonade, but that's what is that flavor? I want to think of it. Oh, it's really chewy. That's cherry flavor. Okay, that was watermelon. Watermelon, maybe like lemon. This must be like raspberry. Oh, there's two of them that are stuck together. Looks like a little mixture. So the stringy gummy stuff, it was good. Just a little bit of a bitter texture. I mean a bitter aftertaste. Sorry. I'm on the gummy bear though. It had a really chewy gummy texture, and that's let's see here. Try so it looks like a pea. Probably like a pepper or something, but that is okay. Now I'll taste the apple. I was gonna say. So I like these guys. My favorite one though is raspberry. Very good flavor. And then of course this here. And even the gummy bears, they were good. Just watch if you guys have a crown, that'll pull right out.
Alright, motherfuckers, take care.
And I'm gonna give this a 8.5 out of 10.